Dropshipping for Beginners, an ultimate guide. Dropshipping for beginners can be a lucrative business opportunity for those looking to start an e-commerce store without the hassle of managing inventory. In this ultimate guide, we will cover everything you need to know to get started with dropshipping and succeed in this competitive market. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos. Understanding dropshipping, what it is and how it works. Dropshipping serves as an innovative retail strategy, eliminating the need for e-commerce businesses to maintain physical inventories. When a product is ordered through a dropshipping store, the retailer purchases the item from a third-party supplier, who then ships it directly to the customer's doorstep. This process allows retailers to avoid the overhead and risk associated with stocking merchandise, facilitating a lean operational model. Retailers simply act as intermediaries, focusing on marketing and customer service, while leaving the logistics of stock and shipping to their partners. This approach not only streamlines operations, but also enables entrepreneurs to launch and scale their online stores with reduced initial investments. Getting started with dropshipping, a step-by-step guide. Embarking on your dropshipping journey begins with the selection of a niche or product category that sparks your interest and aligns with your market research. The next pivotal step involves identifying a dependable supplier who can provide dropshipping services for these products. This choice is critical as your supplier's reliability and product quality directly impact your brand's reputation. After securing a supplier, create your e-commerce storefront on platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, which are user-friendly and optimized for dropshipping operations. This step involves customizing your store's design to reflect your brand and listing your chosen products with clear, compelling descriptions and high-quality images. Once your store is live, the process for handling orders must be streamlined. When a customer places an order on your site, you will place the same order with your supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. The art of finding the right suppliers. Navigating the waters to locate suppliers who are not only reliable, but also align with your drop shipping aspirations is pivotal. Initiating your quest on platforms such as AliExpress, Oberlo, and Sanogo can be a strategic starting point. These platforms offer a vast network of suppliers catering to diverse niches, thereby simplifying the search process. Engage in thorough conversations with potential suppliers to gauge their responsiveness, understanding of your niche, and their capability to consistently provide high-quality products. Additionally, assess their shipping times and return policies to ensure they match your business model and customer service standards. Marketing your dropshipping store. To effectively market your dropshipping store, leveraging digital channels is key to reaching a broader audience and boosting sales. Social media platforms offer a powerful avenue to showcase your products, engage with your audience, and create a community around your brand. Platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest are ideal for visual storytelling and can help bring your products to life. Employing email marketing strategies, such as sending newsletters, exclusive offers, and updates about new products, can help in retaining customers and encouraging repeat business. Additionally, optimizing your store for search engines through SEO practices is crucial for increasing your online visibility and attracting organic traffic. Crafting content that includes relevant keywords, engaging product descriptions, and maintaining a blog can significantly enhance your SEO efforts. Managing and scaling your dropshipping business. As your venture into dropshipping evolves, effective management becomes paramount to ensure smooth operations and continuous growth. To keep pace with increasing orders and customer expectations, implementing robust tools for inventory management and sales tracking is essential. These tools can help automate routine tasks, allowing you to focus on strategic aspects of your business. Diversifying your product range and exploring untapped markets are also key strategies for scaling. Additionally, integrating advanced analytics can provide insights into customer behavior, product performance, and market trends, enabling data-driven decisions. Automation plays a crucial role in scaling, from marketing campaigns to order processing, facilitating efficiency and reducing manual errors. Always be on the lookout for new technologies and platforms that can streamline your operations and enhance your store's capabilities. If you enjoyed from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks for watching.